Guys, it's Marco with Marco's Home Garage, and today we're going to be putting a decal on the trim of the RAV4. My last video, I took all this trim off and I painted it black, and if I do say so myself, I think it looks amazing. It brings it back to life. It looks just about new, and I was able to get a lot of the deep gouges out with JB Weld, and it looks amazing. So today, there's decals that go here that just kind of finish off the trim, and we're gonna put that on the car, and I think it's gonna make the trim and the car pop. My neighbor Julie, who has some experience doing things like this, has asked me to wipe the trim off with some Windex, and then we're gonna use alcohol swabs. To finish up the job. This is so that there's no particulates or anything that will stick. That's good. We've given the paint about a week to cure. So the worry of any of the paint coming off with the Windex is pretty much nil at this point. I'll go to the other side now. Okay, so we're cutting the decals apart so that when we apply this transfer tape, we have each part individually as its own little portion, so we don't mess up the other parts. Second step is we're going to take some alcohol wipes and just go along the grooves and wipe it down so that there's no matter or dirt or anything that's going to keep it from sticking. Got first layer of transfer tape on, and now we're going to bring this out and transfer it to the trim. Okay. First piece of transfer tape is on there. I got great neighbors. Skillful neighbors. Look at that. That looks amazing so far. And then here's the first piece of tape coming off. Yeah, look at that. That was the hardest part right here, to make sure that this RAV4 lettering came off, and that Julie is just taking some of the air bubbles out if there are any. Little scraper tool.
You know what I need, Marco?
What do you need?
The original paper that this was on.
Okay.
It's on the kitchen table. I gotta put that back on.
Okay. Guys, I made a big goof. I put the RAV4 portion on top. It's supposed to be on the bottom, and I wouldn't be able to live with myself just driving around knowing that I made that mistake. So I ripped this portion off. I'm gonna call back. I'm gonna call for another left side, and I'm gonna redo this side. But let's get the right side done correctly, and I'll show you that afterwards. I'm doing it the right way this time. That was my goof. That's okay. I've already ordered another set for the driver's side. We got the RAV4 on the bottom this time. And we're just gonna take off this transfer tape and keep sticking. Okay, here's the passenger side. That looks much better. Here, I'm gonna cut that once it's done curing. Very humid in Florida today, so we're gonna let it just kind of sit and fully dry. So let's get the top done, and then I'll show you how it looks. Okay, we're pressing on the second piece. It's fighting us a little bit in this humid Florida climate. Doesn't want to stick very well. So hopefully it'll cure, give us some good adhesion. I will have to come out every half hour or so. Like if you notice right here, starts to just come off, just stick it back on. Okay, the glue needs some time to cure. So you just gently press on it and then it re-sticks. But that looks so amazing and I love it. So I hope this stays for a while, and we'll give it a day or two before we put it in the sunlight so it cures. And then when I get the other side from Cassie, who I ordered this from, I will put the other side on and give you guys an update. Okay, this humid Florida weather is pretty hard on this adhesive. Plus, I think with the way I painted this trim, maybe it's just this glue's not enough. So what I went out, I was prepared for this. I got some 3M plastic emblem and trim adhesive. And apparently, from what I hear about this product, less is more. So we're gonna put just a little bit on each one of those little pieces, and hopefully it sticks to this plastic long term. Okay, and I did the smallest little pinprick I could. Yeah, it's not even sticking to itself, so I'm gonna just try. Apparently this it dries yellow, so we don't want to have this stuff stick out. I really like the contrast between that black and the white. It looks amazing. Guys, quick little video on how to put a decal on your RAV4 trim. If you like this video, if you've done this project, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'll talk to you in the next one.